In oil and gas, every decision carries weight, affecting safety, uptime, and performance. Leaders face volatile markets, aging assets, evolving regulations, and rising pressure to reduce emissions, while keeping production moving. To lead through this complexity, you need decisions grounded in trusted data, supported by industrial AI that helps teams anticipate issues and act sooner. At CGI, we work side by side with oil and gas leaders to turn complexity into clear priorities and measurable progress. We connect operational technology and enterprise systems so you gain a unified view across assets, supply chains, and performance. We modernize platforms and data so teams can act faster from the field to the boardroom. And we apply industrial AI where it delivers value, from predictive maintenance and anomaly detection to forecasting, built on strong governance and security. The result? Safer operations, improved reliability, scalable efficiency, and progress toward sustainability goals. Discover how CGI helps oil and gas leaders deliver trusted outcomes.